welcome to KD Station. Today we are going to draw a very simple block. As you can see here, you can make it through different ways. If one you understand the image or the diagram, then you can draw it as you want. Okay, first of all, let's see. Here is a block in which this one is front view or top view, this one is top view, this view, this one is front view from this side, ELE visually cover, then this is the side view from this side. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we are going to draw a rectangle, this one of outer side, or let's Solidworks. In units we are going to select millimeters, document units up to 3 decimals, and image quality through the red. Okay, now I am going to draw on the top plane as usual. On my all tutorials I totally left it to you. You want to select any plane, you can. Then I am going to select center rectangle, from center origin one rectangle, then its dimension is 120. As you can see, 120 by 120 by the side is of 65. 120 by 65, smart dimension 120 by 65. Okay, 120 by 65 or 65 not, it's 60. 65 is extrude, height is 65, it's 60. It's 60. Okay, now come here. There are many ways to draw this. If I want, I can draw first this block, this is square, then I draw this one, and then I can draw this taper side. First of all, I am going to draw this simple extrude, which is up to, as you can see, 20 mm. Features extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, now once it's final, then here I can draw this whole plus symbol, or I can draw first this square, then this, and then this. It's easy, or it's easy ke we draw this plus sign. First come to select this sketch, control 8. Now center rectangle, make a rectangle not a square, and then select corner rectangle from this to this and this to, oh, once I've made a mistake, rectangle from here to here, and from this line to this line. Okay, now smart dimension, it's 30 and it shows 90. It's mean this is of 60, this is of 60, and this is of 20. And make a relation from here to here, this is of 20. Then automatically this side will be of 20. Okay, now make a relation, select this line, escape from smart dimension, select this line, press Ctrl and select this line, and make it horizontal, equal. Okay, now smart dimension, this side is of 20, here to delete this. From this line to this line distance is 20. Okay, now it's complete. Isometric view, we have to extrude it up to this side 45 mm. Okay, come here, features, extruded boss, 45, first 45, then select contours. Contours means which parts you want. This one, this square, and this one. It's okay. Okay, now it's ready. Only one thing, this taper side is from this one. So let's come here, select these wheels, sketch, choose line command from this edge to this edge. Edge shows by this point, this edge, this point, and now match this. And okay, now features, extrude was up to 20. Okay, it's touching the edges and select it. Okay, now this side is done. Now came to mirror, faces or plane you have to define, just front plane or extruded was. As you can see, it's done. Okay, now again came to mirror, select right plane, and okay, now it's ready. Just one thing remain, this circle of 1 and 2 circle, 40 and 20 dia. Select Control 8. We have to draw 2 circles, 1 circle, 2 circle, small dimension 40, and this one is of 20. Okay, now 40 mm dia is up to 50 millimeter extruded cut. One more thing, once delete the circle. Okay, came here, features, extruded cut, up to 50, up to 50. Okay, you can see it's not completely extruded because it's like blind up to 50. Okay, it's cutted. Now select this face, sketch, Control 8, circle, and its dimension is dia 20. Okay, now features, extruded cut. Now we have to cut it through all means up to the next surface or through the whole diagram. Okay, so click. Now it's ready. It's ready. Now it's up to you. Go to appearance, metal, or just change its color, make it's okay. Now it's done. You can compare from these. This is the your required diagram, and you have drawn it. So hope guys you can understand this tutorial. If you have any queries, then you can ask on the comment section, or you may mail me. And for more tutorials, if you have any specified diagram or any specified part to ask, you can send it to me, then I can make a tutorial of it for you. Thanks. like this video and subscribe to Caddy Station.